Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store in DOOGEE X95. So to do this, let's start with a browser and try to reach any website. So here we have a Google which was previously open. If we try to refresh it, here's the error. Now go to the Google Play Store and try to install this game. And it's stuck in a pending mode and it's like that forever. We can cancel it for now and open the settings. Scroll all the way down to find the system. Enter date and time. Use network provided time and then again use network provided time. If you open your Google Play Store again and try to install the game, it should actually begin at some point. If this doesn't work, you might need to restart the Google Play Store, but here it is, the download begins. Now let's move on to the browser. Reload the page. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.